The Adobe Photoshop program is running on Windows. But I can't drag and drop any image in Adobe Photoshop. I have tried drag and drop on Camtasia software. But in the same way, drag and drop is not going to be taken here either. Hopefully, this issue will be fixed in the next update of Windows. If you do this through Registry Edit, then your search bar and star menu will not work. Let's see how to fix. You can drag and drop by Restore down Windows Explorer. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share.